In today's video, we will learn how to quickly create GitHub account, which is a cloud-based platform for developers. Just like we have a OneDrive where you back up your files on the cloud, here you back up your codes on the cloud and you can work on a project with many other persons, okay? Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, this is how you can create a GitHub account. First is open your web browser. So here I'm using Google Chrome for this, okay? As your browser opens, type GitHub, okay? All right, so this gives us this web link is likely to be the first on your search results, okay? That's github.com. So click on that. Okay, so we are taken to this page. You can click on sign up for Git here, or you can click on this link. Anyone will take us to a page where we can continue the process. So let's go with this. All right, so in this space, enter your username, choose a password, and okay, here, enter your email, choose a password of your choice, and then here, choose a name of your choice, okay? Okay, you can see everything is set. My email is hidden, password, and the username. So choose everything, any of these details, okay? Choose in your own way. If you choose a password and it's not correct, the system will tell it's not correct under. If you choose a username and somebody else have taken it, the system will still inform you. All right, you can see username GTechRail. That's my username here. So I'll click on continue. So follow and do the same thing from your end. All right, so here it wants you to solve a puzzle. You have two options here, visual puzzle and audio puzzle. So let's go with visual. Then it says use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. All right, so let's click here. Oh no, I'll go back here again. Where am I? Okay, okay, all right. So we are good here. So I'll click on submit. Then it said I should do the same thing, the direction of the hand. I'll click here, click again. This is cool. Click on submit. Then it wants me to do it again, the direction of the hand. No, I'll go back here again. All right, I'll click on submit. So three times, got it correctly. Okay, good. So it says me I can save this. Okay, update password. Okay, it says it has sent me some code to my email. So this email here, so I'll get the code and insert it here. Then once you're done, good. It has moved on, meaning that it's correct. The code was correctly added. Good. So I'll click on sign in. And here is the interface. You can start creating your projects from here. So this is how you build or create a GitHub account. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we teach a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Let me know how you feel. Do you have further questions on this? Please do that in the comment section. Watch this video here to learn more on tech. Thank you and see you some other time.